Hi guys, my name is Madison Sakin and I'm a freshman here at Bloomsburg University. I am studying to become a mid-level education uh, teacher with a concentration in social studies. Today I will be showing how to use Glogster and hopefully you can use it for your classroom one day. I used Glogster many times in my classroom down in middle school and high school and I think it's fun. So, this is a home page. As you can tell, it's on your phone, your iPad, and also your computer. So, what I don't like about this website is you have to get premium after your free trial. And it's only $29, but still, that's a lot for a school. So, I'm going to log in and show you guys how to use Glogster. It shows up as a sign up and you can use sign up or you can log in. You can log in with your Google, Facebook, and Prevo. So I already made an account and I'm going to log in for you guys. So I already made a Glog, so I'll show you how to do it. So as I said before, I want to be a history teacher. So I made one about Alexander Hamilton. Over here, you see a bar that says text, graphics, image, wall, audio, video, and data. So text is a regular text box. What I like about it is that they give you art version, biology, chemistry, ecology, history, journal, languages, leisure, math, papers, physics, prehistory, and many more. Over here in graphics, they give you graphics, anatomy, art, biology, chemistry, ecology, history, math, and so on. There's many more. Image, you can go to your images. As you can tell, I already have an Alexander Hamilton one. Or you can search images, such as National Bank. And it will show up. Your wall is the background. So I have it in purple. Now I can change it to mint green for dollar bill. You can choose a picture, like I can do it in this history. You can do your images, so I could have Alexander Hamilton as the background. And audio, you can play music, but I don't have any downloaded. So if I did have something downloaded, I could have put the Alexander Hamilton song from Hamilton, but I don't know. So videos, you can add a video, like I added to this one. And the good thing about this is that you can play it before you put it on, just in case. You can also search YouTube, like I can search National Bank, and videos can pop up. Data is just like your saved work. So here, as you can see, you can move these around freely. See? You could fix the text. You can bring it up front. You can send it back. You can duplicate it. You can rotate it. Oh, you can't. You can fix it. You can lock it so it won't move. And unlock it. Delete it. Make the font size bigger. And you can turn on the shadow, which how big the black thing is. You can change it different colors. Thank you for everything, and I hope you guys use Glogster in your own classroom.